my yelling? Welcome back to the channel, people. First off, sorry for not uploading any videos anytime soon. So I know some people have been commenting like, yo, what's up with the car? I've been slacking. Honestly, I just been slacking, and I need to get this thing done. Kind of losing motivation again, but I'm gonna get it done. So today I'm just gonna do a little update video of where I am. I bought a few more parts for the car, just haven't installed them. Right now, as you see, I'm sitting in the car because I just put one seat in. All the rest of the interior is in the car for the most part. I got to put a few more. I got to put the bezel on. I got to just screw it in. The center console I have to put in. I'll show you why I haven't put that in yet. And the back seat, I might not even put that in. I'm just gonna clean it out. Carpet got dirty. I'm gonna have to vacuum that out. But yeah, the car's back together. I'm gonna be getting a quick release steering wheel. Gonna get rid of this big hunking ugly steering wheel. On Instagram, I follow a lot of different Accord pages on Instagram. One of them is they've been around for a little while. FatFourCustoms FFC. I got some parts from them for the inside of the car. So here's what I got. Just some FatFourCustoms shifter bushings. Those will replace the stock OEM ones that I originally had. I mean, the base of it is pretty solid, but I went ahead and got those. I need this little part here. There's no bushing or anything. The cotter pin's missing and all that. And when it's in gear, like first gear, there's a whole bunch of wobble, and I don't like that. I'm eventually gonna get the. I know this is FatFourCustoms, but Cheddar's Auto has the shifter that I want, the adjustable shifter. I'm probably going to get that anyway. So I'm probably going to replace all this. But for now, I went ahead and got this stuff just because I don't want to drive the car with all this slop in the shifter. So yeah, I'm going to install that right now and see how it feels. So, out of the way. I'm going to unloosen the 4 of these. They should be 14 millimeter, I think. Yes, they're 14. Then take that off. That's like, it's like an 8. Because I got the bushings for the actual bushing for the shifter cable, so I'm going to replace these and the bottom. So yeah, let me see if I can record this and take this at the same time.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.
All 4 tighten down. Just even moving it like with my hand, it feels like it's like not moving at all. It's way more solid than the little OEM rubber ones. So far so good. So now I'm just gonna get the shifter cable bushings in, and we should be good to go. What's up, guys? So today's the next day. My camera died last night, so I finished up the rest of the car with the shifter bushings last night. I'll show you that a little later. So this morning, I'm just gonna finish getting the interior pieces painted black. So here I have the I don't know what it's called, the console, center console, maybe that's what you call it. I already put one coat of paint on it. I definitely need a new shifter boot, but I'm using the same vinyl and fabric paint. Yes, and some people asking what type it is. It's the flat black, because the glossy makes it look very fake looking. This keeps the flat black, keeps a very natural color to it. So yeah, I just spray it down with some of this, and then just I have some shop towels, and I just wipe it, clean it down, then I spray it.
Yeah.